Alrighty. Good evening, team. Today is Friday, November 29th, 2019. And I just wanted to make this video really quick. As you guys can see, I haven't really made a new trading video in a few days due to other obligations. I've been really busy the past week with the holidays coming up and me having to tie up some loose ends in different areas. I wasn't able to obligate a lot of time to my trading this week. I actually only took one trade for the entire week, but those things are over. We're back trading the new level strategy, and I want to show you guys one trade that I was able to take this week. The only trade I took this week. It wasn't fully new level. It was a kind of one of the nuances to the new level strategy. I took the trade on the 1 hour time frame in the direction of the overall momentum of the market. Okay, I wanted to have a video prepared for you guys this weekend. I hadn't been taking any trades, but I wanted to hop into a position and take a trade so I would have some material or be prepared to create a new video for my YouTube subscribers, Facebook subscribers, anyone that follow me in the new level strategy. I wanted to have some material to go over with you guys once this week closed out. So like I said, I took a trade on the USD Swiss franc. It was the only trade I took for the week. It was a profitable trade. So I'm going to go over what I was seeing to make me go ahead and take this trade. Now, this deals with reading the candles, right? A lot of times when traders see this going on in the market, they see this type of consolidation, especially on the higher time frames, they tend to shy away from this stuff, right? Not knowing whether the price is going to go up or down. But it is a way you can actually trade this part of the market and this type of price action based on the new level strategy. But you have to be able to read the candles. So let's talk about what I saw here. Now, I'm not going to pay attention to this candle here because this is the candle that closed for the week. So I'm going to mark this candle off. We're going to read everything on back, okay? And we're going to start reading from this candle, okay? Remember, we're on a weekly time frame. So each candle represents 1 week of price data, all right? As you can see, price touched the bottom of this support level. Price came up and it hit a brick wall. It hit a level of resistance, right? But until price re-breaks this level right here, you can't say this is a continuation of a downtrend. So this could be, we look at this as a pullback and an uptrend, okay? Remember, we're trading on the weekly time frame. So what we see right here, we see price attempts to go down, right? It stops at this level. So let's put this level in. I'm not going to lay it right on the close of the candle. I'm going to push it up a little bit higher once we're done analyzing this time frame. But then you see another weak price comes down, right? It closes at this level. It's telling you that price is having trouble at this level, trying to break it in the downtrend to switch to reverse the momentum in the market. Price closed another week, couldn't break the level. It closed another week, couldn't break the level. So that's 4 weeks straight, price couldn't break this level. All right. Now, let's analyze these last 2 weeks of the candles. Price actually starts to trade a little higher. You see the momentum change in the market, right? You see the change of momentum. Price came down, but you notice right here when price closed this week, it didn't close as low as these levels right here, right? That indicates a change in momentum. And then last week, price couldn't break these levels either. It couldn't close as low as these levels. So price is closing, but it's closing higher. It's starting to create higher highs on the weekly time frame. Shows you momentum is now starting to become more bullish and trade back to the upside. Okay, close at this level. When it decided to close back down again, it got to this low, but price closed right up in here. All right, that shows me momentum is starting to change back to the upside. So I went ahead, I put in a level here, a trend line here, I should say. Okay, now for the sake of teaching, we're going to go to the daily time frame. We're not going to jump straight to the 1 hour. We're going to go to the daily because I need you guys to see, to understand how to read these candles. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, the daily time frame. Let's just take a look at what I just saw. Let's look at it from a smaller time frame. All right. So here's what I just explained. Price closed at this level here. But you can see on this level, the momentum is starting to pick up a little higher. Let me mark this off. On the momentum oscillator, you'll see price is starting to trade a little. The closes are getting higher, right? The closes are getting higher. So that tells me price, although it trended up, it went down to retest this level. That tells me price is starting to become more bullish and trade back towards the high. Okay. Although it's trading in a range right here, you can still trade this range based on the momentum and the overall trend of the market. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour, look a little bit closer. Now you can see on the 4 hour, I'm going to condense this a little bit. It's becoming a little more clear what price is trying to do. Touch. Right here, price is starting to get higher. You see here? Price keeps breaking this level, broke the level. When it got here, you see price didn't trade as low. The momentum is starting to go up, right? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now here's where we actually hopped in and took the trade. As you can see, touch. Momentum is starting to trade higher now. Over the past 2 weeks, momentum is starting to trade higher. So now here's the trade that I actually took. So let me drag the trade onto the chart. Let me go and get the trade. You can see where we actually profit from the trade. It was profitable. All right. Here's the trade that I actually took right here. Why did I take this trade? Although we know this momentum is starting to become more bullish, we still have to respect our support and resistance levels. All right. So all I did was wait till price broke this level. I saw that price touched here and touched here, right? So it was showing me that it couldn't break this level again, right? My bias is to the upside based on what I showed you on the weekly, daily, and the 4 hour time frame, how price is becoming more bullish. So when I get to the 1 hour time frame, my actual trading time frame, I see that price has broken this level and price cannot break back through the level. Okay, touched it here. So once after it touched here, I went ahead and took a buy position here because now I'm of the belief that price is going to go up to this next level, right? So I went ahead, I entered a buy position here. I put my stop loss here, right? Below what started the break of this level, which was this move right here with the lows, right? So I put my stop loss here, took a 1-to-1 trade and made about 32 pips on the trade. Hit my take profit 1-to-1, right? All based on how I read the candles from the weekly, daily, 4 hour time frame. Alrighty. So guys, once you know how to read the candles, once you can do a top-down approach, it makes trading on the smaller time frames much easier. All right, you're looking for breaks of support and resistance levels in the overall of what you've determined to be the overall trend of the market, what the market is showing, how you read the market, you understand why it's the overall trend, and then when you go to the smaller time frames, only thing you're looking for is a potential trade setup to go in to move into the direction of the bias that you have already established based on looking at the weekly, daily, 4 hour time frame. Alrighty. So that's how I analyzed that trade. That is why I took the trade. Like I said, it was my only trade I took last week, but it was a profitable trade. And this is one nuance. This is one, part of the new level strategy that we trade. If you're interested in learning more, please feel free to like the page, share the video, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's plenty of videos on this channel to help you with understanding and learning how potentially, what I would say more of understanding the new level strategy. If you're interested in learning how to trade the strategy, You could reach out to me. I do sessions, 1 hour up to 3 hour sessions where I teach you how to trade the strategy. And then we communicate throughout the week via email on the Facebook group, where you can send me your potential trade setups. I'll tell you what I think of your trade setups. Sometimes I also send signals out, everything that a trading group does. It's what we do in the Forex King trading group. But again, if you're interested in learning the strategy, please reach out to me. You can check the description, my email address, or the invite where you can actually book time to get taught the strategy is also in the description. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Bye-bye.